What is up, my beloved skibbities? I finally got the mental capacity to do the next part of this video, so let's do very sigma mathematics.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear!
Question 6. Chocolate problem. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a big chocolate bar that you want to share with your friends. The expression 25x squared 8x plus 16 x4 squared is like a recipe for figuring out how much chocolate each friend gets. Let's look at the parts. 25x squared, 8x plus 16, this is like the total amount of chocolate you have. It's a bit complicated, but we'll simplify it soon. x4 squared, this is like the number of friends you want to share with. Again, it looks complicated, but we'll make it easier. Simplifying the chocolate, the part that says 25x squared, 8x plus 16, can be simplified. It's like saying 25 times something, and that something is x squared, 8x plus 16. This something can be simplified further. X squared, 8x plus 16 equals x4 squared. So, the total amount of chocolate can be written as 25x4 squared. Putting it all together, now, our recipe looks like this: 25x squared 8x plus 16, x4 squared. You'll notice that we have x4 squared on both the top and the bottom. It's like saying we're multiplying and then dividing by the same thing. So, they cancel each other out. The result, we're left with just 25. That means each friend gets 25 pieces of chocolate. In simple words, the expression 25x squared 8x plus 16, x4 squared simplifies to 25. Question 7. Carol's wall. We need to find two things. 1. The area of the wall that will be covered with decorative paper. 2. The total cost of the decorative paper. Step 1. Find the area of the wall. We know that the wall is x plus 5 meters long and 3x 2 meters wide. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length by the width. So the area of the wall is x plus 5 times 3x 2 equals 3x squared plus 13x, 10 square meters. Step 2. Find the area of the door. We know that the door is x 1 meters long and x meters wide. So the area of the door is x 1 times x equals x squared, x square meters. Step 3. Find the area of the wall that needs to be covered with decorative paper. To do this, we subtract the area of the door from the area of the wall. 3x squared plus 13x, 10x squared, x equals 2x squared plus 14x, 10 square meters. Step 4. Find the cost of the decorative paper. We know that the decorative paper costs are mhx per square meter. So the total cost is 2x squared plus 14x, 10 times 8x equals rm, 16x cubed plus 112x squared, 80x. Therefore, Carol will have to spend rm, 16x cubed plus 112x squared, 80x, to cover the wall with decorative paper. Question 8. These questions, Sweetie should have finished 28 plus 16x math questions in 4 hours. Part I. How many questions would have been done in 30 minutes? Step 1. Convert 4 hours to minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour, so 4 hours is 4 times 60 equals 240 minutes. Step 2. Find the number of questions Sweetie can do in 1 minute. To do this, divide the total number of questions by the total number of minutes. 28 plus 16x, 240. Step 3. Multiply the number of questions per minute by 30 minutes to find the number of questions done in 30 minutes. 28 plus 16x, 240, times 30 equals 28 plus 16x, 8 equals 3.5 plus 2x questions. Part 2. How much time did Sweetie spend if she could only finish 14 plus 8x questions? Step 1. Find the number of questions Sweetie can do in 1 hour. To do this, divide the total number of questions by 4 hours. 28 plus 16x, 4 equals 7 plus 4x questions per hour. Step 2. Divide the number of questions Sweetie finished by the number of questions per hour to find the time spent. 14 plus 8x, 7 plus 4x, equals 2 hours. Therefore, Sweetie would have done 3.5 plus 2x questions in 30 minutes. Plus we only spent 2 hours to finish 14 plus 8x questions. Question 9. A Zama's cake, we need to find the area of each piece of cake. Step 1. Find the area of the whole cake, we know that the cake is 3x, 2 cm long and x plus 2 cm wide. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length by the width. So the area of the whole cake is 3x, 2 times x plus 2 equals 3x squared plus 4x, 4 square centimeters. Step 2. Find the area of each piece, we know that Azima cuts the cake into 6 equal parts along the length and 3 equal parts along the width. This means that she cuts the cake into 6 times 3 equals 18 equal pieces. To find the area of each piece, we divide the area of the whole cake by the number of pieces, 3x squared plus 4x, 4, 18 equals 3x squared plus 4x, 4, 18 square centimeters. Therefore, the area of each piece of cake is 3x squared plus 4x, 4, 18 square centimeters. Question 10. In Sikanapi's land, what do we know? In Sikanapi's land is x meters wide and y meters long. He reserves 2 meters from the width for a road. What do we need to find? We need to find 3 things. 1. The total area of Insikanapi's land. 2. The remaining size of the land after reserving some parts for the road. 3. The total cost of the remaining land if the cost of land is Rm per square meter. Step 1. Find the total area of Insikanapi's land. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length by the width. So the total area of Insikanapi's land is x times y equals z square meters. Step 2. Find the remaining size of the land after reserving some parts for the road. Since Insikanapi reserves 2 meters from the width for a road, the remaining width of the land is x, 2 meters. The length of the land remains the same, which is y meters. So the remaining size of the land is x, 2, times y equals z minus 2 years square meters. Step 3. Find the total cost of the remaining land. If the cost of land is Rm per square meter, then the total cost of the remaining land is z minus 2 years, times 18 equals Rm, 18z minus 36 years. Therefore, the total area of Insikanapi's land is z square meters. The remaining size of the land after reserving some parts for the road is z minus 2 years square meters. The total cost of the remaining land is Rm, 18z minus 36 years. That's all from your master. Now I will go back and feed the starving children in my basement after they do my math test I gave. Xiao Tong Chu.